Welcome back to the channel. What have we got ourselves into today? Today we're going to look at a little inline water filter system. And the filters that we actually use come in little packages. This one's, of all things, a value pack. The most important information on here is that it will filter down to 5 microns. For all of us, that's a really small little measurement. I'm going to show you how to put this new filter in. There's our old filter right there. That's as easy as it is. Thanks for joining in. If you like what you saw, please press subscribe and like.